And hello, folks. I'm meteorologist Tom Kavicka here on a Sunday evening. Hope your Sunday's been blessed, and I hope your week ahead is great. We got a good view there. Just a little patch of clouds coming in behind the weather system that affected us this weekend with locally heavy rain and a little tornado down in the Sulphur area, EF0 there. So we got a pretty view there, and it's beautiful in the country in LeCount as well. We're seeing clouds just in the distance along the horizon there. So coming up, I'll be talking about a cold front bringing some changes, and exactly what will those changes be? Are you thinking about the weekend already? I've got the plan for that. And tropical update, major Hurricane Melissa is going to cause some major problems in portions of the world. So I'll tell you where in just a bit. We got radar showing rain to the east of us now, moving away. It's getting out of here. That's the same system that dumped the rain here in Sinla, the needed rain, I might add, with that. So it's out of here, moving toward the east. A lot of energy unsettledness there in the Northeast Pacific, Pacific Northwest, Northern Rockies, Southwest Canada, and all that world. And eventually we're going to see something come from that direction, which I'll show you in just a second. And in fact, here it is. I've got this map that I made, energy that changes weather. Through the laws of physics, the atmosphere changes. That's why your weather changes, because it's forced to change again. So we've got energy here. This is the current system, and and you see some up to the northwest. So this one gets out of the way. It's already getting out of the way. Weather's improving. We're getting on the backside of it, but we still got this stuff lurking back up to the northwest. And eventually by Tuesday, that's going to take a dive down toward our area. And it's a fast moving system. So a cold front is going to rapidly move down the Tuesday night, and ahead of it, there'll be a moisture return. So we get a little round of showers and thunderstorms. But then that kind of works when we get on the backside of it. This system is picking up cool air. We get on the backside, the cool air rushes in just like somebody opened a door. Now, this isn't going to be a freeze or anything like that, but it would be the coolest weather that you've seen so far this young fall season. All right, so Futurecast, I plan it out for you in the morning, Monday morning, back on your commute. I think there will be some areas where we'll see some fog. So if it's dense, slow down, be careful, and keep your headlights on low beam. All right, going into Monday, coming back from work and school, we got a pretty good day there. And then Tuesday morning, early, before the front gets here and before the rain does, the morning commute looks good. But again, during the day Tuesday, we'll see some rain and a few thunderstorms. And look at that beautiful hurricane. But it's deceptive, folks, because it's not a beauty. It is going to cause some major issues, already is causing major issues in these particular areas. There's Jamaica, there's Haiti, the Southeast Cuba, and the Southeast Bahamas. There will be some catastrophic to significant aspects in that part of the world. So major Hurricane Melissa over the next 5 days projected to move in this fashion, a slow mover, making a turn, moving right over Jamaica. This may be the strongest hurricane ever to hit Jamaica if this forecast verifies, and then remaining very formidable all the way through the Southeast Bahamas and a hurricane all the way out into the open Atlantic. All right, so here's some information. It is 115 miles south-southwest of Kingston, Jamaica, moving toward the west, a 270-degree compass heading. Tells you exactly where it's going at 5 miles an hour. It's really speeded up. It's been 2 miles an hour, so that's something, but it's still slow for a hurricane. Normally we see about 10 to 14 miles an hour with hurricanes in the Atlantic Basin. Maximum sustained winds 145, central pressure 27.79 inches. That is a Cat 4. Catastrophic potential in Jamaica and Haiti for wind, surge, and flooding and mudslides and all that kind of stuff. There are going to be some areas there that get 40 inches of rain from this slow-moving thing. Significant effects will happen over southeast Cuba and into the southeast Bahamas. So Monday, we've got that AM fog possible, but it will lift during the day. 79 for y'all, 56 for y'all, but a nice day otherwise. And then I have raised the rain chance to 60% there for the PM hours on Tuesday and Tuesday night with 50%. Wednesday, the front comes through behind that, and we get breezy conditions behind that situation. So The front comes through Tuesday, creates rain and thunderstorms. It'll be Tuesday night, basically. And then Wednesday, look at those temperatures. In the shade, when the clouds will bring a little shade, it'll be downright cool, I think, for some of you that day with that wind. Right, so 46 and 65 Thursday, 42 is the coolest morning on Friday. That will leave room for the first time this fall for some upper 30s, and I do think that will happen. But it'll be a beautiful sunny day. And then once we hit it, the weekend, it's looking good so far. No rain chances in my forecast so far, but there is another trough taking shape, a disturbance taking shape to the northwest that will be moving through here this weekend. But for now, it doesn't look like it's going to have much moisture to work with. So I went ahead with a dry forecast for the weekend there, and temperatures slowly rebounding as we go back to 50 for a low, mixture 40s and 50s Sunday morning, and a mixture maybe of some upper 70s and lower 80s there by next Sunday afternoon. Okay, folks, I'm through. I think Nick Mikulas may be around later tomorrow. If not, then I'll do the evening stream. And otherwise, I'll be in the forecast center as well. And hope your Monday is magnificent.